Hi, I'm Ria. I'm an accountant. I've been practicing accounting for almost 10 years. One daily task I often do is cash reconciliations. Here I make sure that everything is identified, verified, and recorded. This is to make sure that everything is properly presented and showed into our books accurately. One project I've handled is cash reconciliation, where I address 2 years worth of items and accounting transactions that needed to be addressed. This is prior to a transition that my client company is currently working on. All that while I'm doing the current time cash reconciliation as well, and how we'll be able to move forward with the right balances and the right figures to be presented into our new system. One thing I really love about my client company is the flexibility. Here, I was given the opportunity to do my work on a shift that works with me and also on a time that works with them as well. And that not only limited to me, but with all my teammates in the client company. I see that we're all able to communicate at a time that works with us, all of us rather, and be able to address those concerns without hindrances. And with MultiplyMii, and that aspect that they're very flexible on how be able to address clients' concern with regards to my shift. And they're free, or rather, it's okay for them to give me that opportunity of flexibility.